Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the problem based on network topology. It is a very famous question of the CBSE board exam of class 12 which you will get of 4 marks. So let's start how to solve this problem. In this problem, an organization is having this type of architecture in which the block X is situated in Delhi and the blocks A, B, C, D it is situated in Mumbai, and in each block number of computers are there. In block X there are 50, A there are 30, in B it is 120, in C 40 and D 90, and the distance between the blocks is given X to B, A to B and so on. So this is the distance which is given in between the blocks. Now the first part of this question, make a cable layout connection between the blocks. Sometime it is asked to make a cable layout connection between the blocks with a specified topology. But if no topology is specified in the question, then you can make the cable layout connection by using star topology or bus topology. By default, use star topology to make the cable layout connection between the blocks. That will be more convenient and easy. Let's see how we can make the star topology to make the cable layout connection between the blocks. Suppose these are 4 blocks A, B, C, D. These are 4 blocks which is present inside Mumbai. Okay, now we are going to make star topology. In star topology, all the computers are directly connected with the server. Hence, block B is having maximum number of computers, so server is placed here. So simply just connect all the blocks with the block B in this way. So it makes the star topology. In star topology, all the nodes are directly connected with the server. Hence, failure of one node does not cause failure of whole network. So that will be the justification for your answer. And if you want to make the bus topology between the blocks, then this can be done in this way. A, B, C, D. Suppose there are these 4 blocks and we are making the bus topology. Bus topology between the blocks. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected through a single wire by using the minimum distance, the shortest distance. So how we can make this? First you identify which is the shortest distance in between these blocks. So from here we can find out A to C is having 30 meter. So we are connecting this A to C. Now find out second shortest, it is B to D. So B to D is having the another short one. So we have connected this. Now I found out which is having the third shortest one. So third is C to D. It is having 110 meter. So we connected this. So in this it is a bus topology. All the nodes are connected through a single wire by following the shortest distance. Hence the installation cost will be low because it takes less number of wire. Now the second question, placement of the following devices. The first is server. Server should be placed where maximum number of computers are present, because according to 80-20 rule, server should be placed in the block where maximum number of computers are present. So maximum number of computers are present in block B. So we install server in block B. Okay, now the modem. Modem is the network device which has to be installed on the server. So server is present in block B, hence the modem and other network devices should be installed in block B. Then the placement of hub or switch. Hub or switch is a central connecting device to connect multiple computers with the server. So hub and switch must be installed in all blocks because all blocks containing multiple computers, so it is required to connect multiple computers with the server. That's why we require hub or switch in all the blocks. Now the last one is repeater. Repeater is a device which is used to amplify the signal. Now the placement of repeater is dependent on the topology. If we are using the star topology in which we have connected the computer directly with the server, in this is the star topology, and in this if we want to install the repeater, so repeater should be installed where distance is more than 100 meter. So we are having three cable length, A to B, B to C or C to D. A to B, let us find out the distance. What is the distance? A to B is 50 meter, B to C is 160 meter and B to D is 40 meter. So in this here, in these two parts we require a repeater. So we will do like this. Here we will mark it repeater, and here we will mark it repeater. So repeater will be placed in between block A and B and in between block B and C, because here distance is more, that is more than 100 meter. If we have used the bus topology, then the placement of the repeater will be different. As I have told you, placement of the repeater is dependent on the topology which we have used. In bus topology, we have connected the block like this. So in this we want to connect the repeater. So let's find out the distance. A to C, it is 30 meter, C to D, it is 110 meter, and B to D, it is 40 meter. So here C to D, this distance is more than 100 meter, so we will place the repeater over here. So in this way we can place the repeater according to the specific topology which we have used in the cable layout connection. After drawing this diagram, also mention the placement of repeater in word also, okay, so that you can justify your answer. So the justification for the placement of repeater is that it is used to connect the nodes which are having distance more than 100 meter. Now the third question, which type of network is formed by the block of Mumbai? So all the blocks of Mumbai are having the distance of 100 to 100 meter like this. So it is forming the network, that is LAN, local area network. So the network formed by connecting the blocks of Mumbai ABCD is local area network. Which type of network is formed by connecting the block X and B? So X in Delhi and B in Mumbai, and the distance is 2500 kilometer. So the network formed by connecting the block X and block V is WAN, that is wide area network. Now, which fastest guided and unguided medium you will use to connect the block X and B? the guided medium because we want to transmit the data with a high speed in a wide area network. So the fastest guided medium is optical fiber. So we will use optical fiber, optical fiber, optical fiber as fastest medium. And about unguided medium, we can use satellite or microwaves or radio waves. So satellite is the fastest communication medium because it can transmit the data throughout the world without being hampered by man-made obstacles such as buildings, traffic, etc. Through satellite, we can also send the connection in various parts of the world, and it is independent of like sea, traffic, mountains, etc. And the fastest guided medium is optical fiber because it carries the signal in the form of light. So the fastest guided medium is optical fiber and the fastest unguided medium is satellite. Now suggest the technology to provide internet facility in all the blocks of Mumbai. So whenever it is asked to provide internet facility in all the blocks, your answer will be broadband internet connection using Wi-Fi or WiMAX. Wi-Fi and WiMAX. Remember this. So the best way to provide internet facility to all the blocks of a local area network or in metropolitan area network is broadband internet connection using Wi-Fi. So you will get 4 questions out of this in your board examination, and you can write the answer in the suggested way. Thank you.